Tayo ay
Nandito na.
tayo may
Okay, baba.
mag-abroad muna tayo.
Salamat.
Yan.
Baba.
Dito muna ano natin. Ay, sorry. Ayan, magbababa na ang ating tropa. Terminal. Ayos terminal. Air Asia kami. Hello. Ayan ang aming si Ma'am. Peace. Ano? Direct.
CCR mo na.
CCR. Ito pala sistema dito. Yung parking, pag ganyan. Pag ganyan pala. Hindi. Oo, yun. Yun pala ang sistema.
Direct pay, ito ay mga gamit natin.
Ano, chairman? O, yung mga kailangan nyo, walang maiiwan ha. Kita-kita tayo sa Bacolod. Yan ang mga bantay bayan. Mag-abroad. O, sino may dalang walis? Bakit? Ano, Direk? Saan ang punta? Saan yung bag natin? Okay.
Hi!
Welcome to Bacolod.
Pasok na tayo kasi awat dok naman.
Entrance.
PWD.
Ano ba? Asa yung papel natin? Nandiyan na?
Ayun.
Okay.
PWD.
Oy, brother.
Mali yung sinakyan ko yung plano punta ng Amerika ito ha. Para kang pala. Hindi lang ko umuwi.
Ito. Sige. Wow, ang lamig. Sis, ako. Picture.
Yes.
Picture pa. Saan ka na? Di makita. Oh, puno na naman ang ano nito.
Tayo daw ng picture na may kausap sila. Ayan.
Hi! Terminal 2. Ayan. Hello.
Hello, Bacolod.
Brother, hindi pwede siya doon.
Silapos yan, silapos. $39. O, tama-tama, ikaw na pumila, ma'am. Ayan, din sila. Para pa ibigay na to hati-hati na lang. Di, hawakan mo.
Tawagin mo na sila.
Sabi kasi ni Direk Perez. Ha? Appearance? O, kailangan daw appearance. Nakuha na?
Personal appearance yan.
O, ganun. Oh,
May hawak.
patay tayo dyan. Okay.
Hindi na lang pa wala dito nito.
Personal appearance.
Rosalie.
Ma'am Rosalie. Marilo Abaya.
Ramil, agregado.
Dito, agrabyado sa likod.
Wala yung ticket ko dyan.
Licaros. Licaros dito, labasan.
Paano mo papakita yung ano mo?
Sa cellphone.
Paktay tayo, di bali, paktay, wak lang tigil ah. Likod na lang tayo. Yun, okay na po. Ito na yung boarding pass. Ha? Tapos na. Ito yung boarding pass ko.
17D,
Ikaw,
30A.
malayo ko. Hindi, makipagpalit lang tayo mamaya. Yun. Papasok na po tayo. Wala na. Wala na. May iwan ka. Grabe yan, parang doon maninirahan sa ano ah.
Doon na siya maninirahan. Doon na siya maninirahan. Doon ako lipat daw Bacolod. To the moon. Fly mo to the moon.
Nauhaw ako. Nauhaw ako.
Ano yan, naka-live?
Hindi. Hindi, mayroon announcement. Sino ang na...
O yung cellphone daw mo, Dok. Cellphone daw mo, Dok.
Sino may hawak ng cellphone niyo, Dok?
Nahanap ako ng hanap ko.
Ha?
Nasaan sa bagahe mo?
Ayan. Yan ang hinahanap ko kung sino may-ari nito eh. Dumami kasi yung... Dumami cellphone ko eh.
Yan! Nakikita mo ba yung
Hindi. Hindi nga nakit, ha? Ay, nandun sa lagayan ko. Siyempre, akin yun.
Didimanda ka niyan.
Oh, ayan yung pala ako. Sabi ko may maghanap ngayon ng cellphone. Oh. Da. Sige. Wala na si Doc ko. Ayan, Doc. ID?
Tago nyo na to, sir. Hindi na yan kailangan.
Salamat. biyahe. Enjoy sa biyahe. Ingat kayo sa Bacolod ha. Uwi kayo ng Bacolod. Laban lang. Laban mga kapatid. Saan sila to? Diba? Saan sila ba? No? Inaabangan ko dito eh.
Kaya walang kasama natin? Sama natin si ano.
Si Madam.
May okay. Sama.
Okay.
Monday ba?
Sabi sa'yo, haba pa yan eh. Dito tayo sa Tube Ice. Di pa tayo nasakay ng aeroplano nila. Sa ano pa tayo? Sa container van. Oo, marami tayo. Hirap na ang buhay ito. Nahilo ko, 3 upuan ko. May upuan pa ako doon sa... Wala na ma'am, alis na tayo. Wow, lift sabi sa'yo, 2 upuan ko. Swerte.
Uy, umupo ka na, hindi ka stewardess.
Hindi kukunin ko yung aking bag.
Shit eh.
Hindi, ma'am, ito kukunin ko na lang po to. Doon na lang ako. Salamat. Yeah.
Good afternoon. Welcome aboard AirAsia Flight
Salamat, ma'am.
05 to Bacolod.
Yes.
The commander of this flight is Captain Red Bautista,
Hoy, kaswerte naman 2 upuan.
assisted by First Officer Syra Chen, and I am your senior cabin crew Christoph. Together with your cabin crew Sam,
Okay,
Flora, and Luis.
makinig.
The flight will take 1 hour. So put your seat upright.
Mag-seatbelt tayo ha.
Vaping are strictly
Tama.
prohibited. E-cigarettes are to be switched off and batteries removed. The charging and usage of e-cigarettes are strictly
Sir,
prohibited.
kasi sa ilalim yan. Pag
And thanks to your support, we are still the
Okay,
world's
ma'am,
best
gagawa natin ng paraan.
for the 14th year running. So sit back, relax, and have super great night. Thank you.
patulak na lang siya.
Open, open. Okay.
Fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, hold the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on upon contact with water and hears a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation flags are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. Should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight.
Naglalaba ka?
Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Tampering the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention.